I think you are searching about universal wrench, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality universal wrench? Need free shipping universal wrench? Looking for universal wrench, having self-adjusting technology? Looking for explosion-proof and non-slip universal wrench? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best universal wrench set. Number 1. KALAIDUN Universal Wrench Set, and the feature is material, chrome, vanadium, steel and rubber. Features: insulated, multifunctional, mini, explosion-proof, double-end, and non-slip. Suitable for pipes, spiral pipes and nuts, quick-release clamping, and don't slip. Finish: polished chrome. Size: 8 to 32 mm. Let's go for number 2. Quk Universal Wrench Set, and the feature is material, chromium, vanadium, steel. Features: insulated, multifunctional, mini, double-end, explosion-proof, and anti-magnetic. Type: adjustable spanner. Technology: self-adjusting technology for nuts and bolts of all sizes and shapes. Size: 9 to 32 mm. Let's go for number 3. ChgImposs Universal Wrench Set, and the feature is material, chrome, vanadium, steel, and rubber. Large wrench, 23 to 32 mm, total length 280 mm. Small wrench, 9 to 22 mm, total length 215 mm. Finish: polished chrome. Warranty: 1 year,